Hello, Matt here, and today, hopefully, a quick, simple bolt-on modification. And if you want to find out how much I managed to jinx myself, stay tuned. So, for 1 millionth time, now it's time to lift the car up and take the engine and tray off. So, join me in this wonderful job that I love doing. So, what we need to do under here is release these two clips. You use the flat screwdriver. This one has already been released. And the same one over here. This way we unplug the hoses from the intercooler. And then we should remove these two bolts, which are rusty as hell and will probably be a pain in the to get out. So, let's try and do it. As you can see, they are both off. And now we try to undo these two bolts. And now hopefully the intercooler should just come out, even though this is holding it in, but okay. I need to check out the situation a tiny bit more to see what's going on. Now there was a lot of garbage in there. Fortunately I didn't film it, but all this crap fell into my face. But the intercooler is out, and now we will compare it with the new one, and I can already tell you that the new one kind of looks the same. So here they are, the old versus the new. As for the size of the intercooler, the front fascia is the same size as the core, but as you can probably see, new one has quite a bit fatter core. So to measure it up, so this one is 81.49. And this one is 100. Now When I was checking the data on the internet, good old faithful internet, I found the information that this one is 65 millimeters, the core depth. So not as much of a difference as I hoped. But again, this is 1/4 or 25% bigger, so I mean, obviously it won't do much of a difference, but hey, it's here, it's ready to go in, so in it shall go. And this is how it is. Rusty old bolts back inside, clips stuck on like they are supposed to be, and everything fitting as it should, as you can see. So now it's time to put the engine under tray back on and go for a test drive. Actually, I'll just try to fill a bit more with this one because it kind of looks a bit weird. I'll try to get it on a bit further. So as I said in the beginning, quick and easy job. Everything was a straight fit, a plug and play, no problems whatsoever. As you can see, the intercooler is on, everything is completed. Brand new shiny intercooler hiding under the grill. Now, as I already mentioned, I expected a bit more from this because stock one was supposed to be 67 millimeters and it was an 80 millimeter intercooler, and this one is 100, so only 25% gain. But as we tend to get the temperatures in excess of 40 degrees Celsius in summer here in Croatia, every little bit of cooling will help. So this is it for today. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any additional questions, feel free to ask them in comments. And as always, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.